Are you thinking about moving to Dallas, Texas? Well, in this video, I'm going to share what it's like to live in Dallas, Texas, as well as what I love about Dallas. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard, and I've lived in the DFW area since I was 4 years old, and I've been in the real estate industry since I was 19. So today I'm a licensed real estate agent, been licensed for 12 years now, and before that I sold new homes, had investment properties. So if you're thinking about moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, hey, give me a call, text me, email me. I'm so happy to help. Are you a foodie like me? Because I love food and I love eating out. I love experiencing different flavors, different restaurants. I like even the hole-in-the-wall restaurants. If it's food, I'm in. There's hardly anything I don't like. So if you're a foodie like me, Dallas is definitely the place to be. So if you want to compare Dallas to New York, it's very interesting that Dallas has more restaurants per capita than New York City. Yes, you heard that right. So if you're going to Dallas and you like food, there are a plethora of restaurants available in all different types of cuisine, anywhere from fine dining to cafes. Dallas has got you covered. Another thing I really love about Dallas, Texas, especially in real estate, is the wide variety of architecture styles. Because some of the suburb cities, there's not as much variety, but that's what I love about Dallas, because in Dallas you have homes that are built by famous architects as well as just all different types of styles. You can get new homes that are very modern, contemporary. You can get some old Tudors. Dallas just has a variety of beautiful architecture, which leads me to the next point about Dallas, Texas. Dallas, in the older neighborhoods especially, and some of the newer that they saved them, I love the trees. I love the tall, beautiful oak trees as you drive through the neighborhoods of Dallas. They're really, really nice. And so, again, if you're moving to the suburbs versus some of those downtown area neighborhoods, some of the suburbs don't have as many trees. It's very common that a developer will come in, clear out all the greenery, all the trees, everything for clean, flat land, and then they'll, plant a couple of trees. But all that to say, when you're driving through downtown Dallas and some of those beautiful neighborhoods, there are some beautiful, beautiful trees. Dallas has a lot of sports fans here, and so if you love sports, this is definitely a great place to live, because you have the Mavericks, you have Dallas Cowboys, now those may not be your favorite teams, but the stadiums are so close to Dallas. In fact, the AT&T Stadium for pro basketball, the Dallas Mavericks, is right in downtown. It's easily accessible. And then not too far in Arlington, you have the Texas Rangers, you have the Dallas Cowboys Stadium, which is big and beautiful and amazing. You can take a tour of the Dallas Cowboys Stadium if you come to visit. It's really fun. So Dallas is a great place if you love sports. Another thing that's so great about Dallas, that I love about Dallas, is there are so many places to shop. There's a plethora of choices for shopping. You have the Galleria Mall, you have Highland Parks, and that's very high-end shopping. There are many high-end shopping, classy shopping areas. You can even get valet parking at many of them. That way you don't have to walk a long distance, park in the parking garage, you have to walk a long way to get to the inside of the mall. So, but then you also have Tanger outlets. So you just have so much shopping here in Dallas. Another thing I really love about Dallas is the diversity. And so Dallas is a hub for people immigrating from all over the world. And so you get all different types of culture in Dallas. In fact, many people ask me, Dana, I'm from blankety blank, will I fit in Dallas? And I'm like, absolutely, Dallas. In fact, there's a website called Wallet Hub, And they show that Dallas ranks number 5 on the diversity scale. And so if you're concerned about fitting in, Dallas is a great place to be. Okay, one of my favorite places to go, it's a museum in Dallas, is the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. Guys, if you come to visit, if you like science, it is such a great museum. I love it. The architecture style is beautifully done. There are multiple stories. There are hands-on activities for both adults and kids. It's my favorite museum to visit. Dallas is a beautiful, wonderful place for the arts, all types of arts. And so you're going to have, well, we have the Dallas Arts District first and foremost. We also have Deep Ellum, which is very artsy, more of the trendy area, but they fully embrace the arts. You'll see murals as you're driving around, art sculptures. You also have the Dallas Art Museum. It's wonderful. And you have performance halls, you have theaters, you have the Dallas Opera. There are just many things to do if you love the arts. And then also if you like the nightlife, I think I already mentioned Deep Ellum, but there's a plethora of places to go in Dallas for the nightlife as well. Hey, if you are finding that my videos are helpful, hey, don't forget to call me, reach out. I'd love to help you in your move to Dallas, Fort Worth. And then if you are moving to Austin or Houston or San Antonio, I have great agents that I can refer you to, so reach out for that. My email's in the link below. Also my phone number, call or text. And then also subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video, click the bell for notifications, yada, yada, yada. And if you're a subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And coming up next, watch one of these videos.